Right, so just been to Euro Car Parts picking up some car parts. I've got two new front shocks, got the lower ball joints for the front wishbones, and then I've also got some new drop links for the anti-roll bar. Now with the anti-roll bar drop links, I decided to go for Mark II ones. Now the Mark I ones are like a bush that goes all the way through, whereas the Mark II ones are a ball joint. Like so it should give a slightly more direct feel to the steering during your sort of underload through the corners, but I might have to do some gusset welds just to reinforce the Mark I wishbones, because obviously it's a through bolt, so it's going through two pieces of metal rather than one on the Mark II. So with that, let's go get them on the car. Right, I've not bothered to film the welding stage of it, but that's the original one, and then there's the little gusset welds I've put just to reinforce this. Then it accepts a Mark II drop link. Right, so I've always found the easiest way to get the bushes out is just to get a little bit of threaded bar, one really big socket, one really big small socket, couple washers on the inside, double bolt that end, and you just wind it through. And then when it's right through at the end, you just want to turn it round, get the hammer, and then give it a quick knock just to finish it off, and then it should just pop out. Right, so that's the poly bushes in the front upper wishbone. This was the worst out of them all. Another thing here is most of these little rubber boots for the ball joints are all split, so just going to change them out for some universal new ones and then pack them up with grease. Put the new dust cover over the shock, put the new spring in, and the end of the spring lines up in the little groove in the dip there. You can't quite see it, it's got the screw for this one ready to go. So now I just need to tighten this up, get the top mount back on, and then we're ready to start reassembling on the car. Right, so that's most of the bolts all nipped now. Now it's just time to get these cam bolts in properly. Now what you want to do is, it's really hard to see, there's like a little sort of dial here. You want that to face directly upwards. Just have the camber centered, there's a little mark at the top. Really hard to see, but I will show you a little picture after, once I've lined it up properly. Right, so it's a little bit hard to see with the glaring light, but see here, obviously the centre line just lines up the centre thing. That's your camber correctly adjusted. Right, now I've just got 2 bolts here to bolt down, put a new two new split pins in that go through the hub down there. Put the brakes on, and then we're all ready to go with this side. Right, we'll have to stop the video there for a minute. Just getting it all on, then the upper ball joint wouldn't tighten up, so I had to try and get it out the old one. Now I've buggered up this upper wishbone, so I've had to go get another one from a breaker and then a new ball joint as well. So yeah, if you see a shiny bolt there, you know, change it over. Right, so I've just got the bushes out ready, cleaned it up a little bit with the angle grinder, and then I've got the new upper ball joint here. Just going to give it a whack in with the old wooden mallet and hopefully it goes in nicely. Right, so that's the upper ball joint in there. Just use a big socket and my bench vise just to get it in there. I won't bother showing you that again, I've already shown you that before. I'll just fast forward now to where it's back on the car. 3, 2, 1. Right, so that's all nearly there now, just all bolted up. Just need to tighten up the drop link, get the disc on, get the brake on, back on, and then we're ready to go. Yes, that's the MX5 here all put back together. Forgot to mention before, I've also put new split pins everywhere. They just help to make sure the suspension basically doesn't fall apart, which wouldn't be good. Anyway, in the next video, I'll be dropping it down on the floor, taking it out for a spin, and then seeing how it drives. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Please press the red subscribe button down below. Once I get to 1,000 subs, I can start monetizing the videos, and then that'll help support the channel.